Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In today's video, here we are again back with the most demanded borderless soft silk sarees. As you know, these beautiful collections are light in weight and easy to carry and be a perfect wear for any kind of occasions. These sarees are available in both dark and light shades. Unique putta designs are there all over the body part, along with running or contrast rich pallu and blouse. These beautiful collections you are getting in a direct manufacturing price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do contact through the given WhatsApp number only. And for now, our payment mode is through online only. There will be no cash on delivery. Please do make quick orders as the stock is limited. Hope you guys like these collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. You can also join in our WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description if you want quick updates.